What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a TikTok account for business. So you can follow the same steps on your phone. If you are using iPhone or Android, as you can see, I'm using right now an Android emulator, and it's like you have a phone on your laptop. Okay, so you just need to open the app or your laptop, and you can do the same steps. So yeah, if you want, like, there are two ways to create a TikTok account for business. You either go to the web version and you search for create a TikTok account for business, and it says here TikTok for business. So this whole thing means, like, if you don't want to create a personal account, you only want to create a TikTok for business, you can just search on Google for create a TikTok account for business, and you will find here something called TikTok for business. Now this whole thing means, like, you can start promoting your products, your, like, things on TikTok, and without even having a personal account. So to do that, you just need to click on get started, and you can also sign up with TikTok. So I'm going to come back to this a few seconds later. Okay, few seconds, I will come back to this. Now if you want to, like, if you have a personal account and you want to change it to a business account like me, so that, because when you change it to a business account, you will be able to add your website here, your website link here. Now if you don't have a business account on TikTok, you will not be able to do a lot of things, which I'm about to show you right now. Now if you click on these three little dots in the top right, after you open the app, you click on three little lions in the top right, click on settings and privacy, and click on account, and you want to click on switch to business account. Here it will show you a few different options. As you can see, with a business account, you will get more business features in the business suite. Your existing videos and content won't be affected. Click next, 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 next. Here you just need to select a category. For example, if you have a TikTok account about beauty, then you need to select here beauty. If it's education and training, you need to find that here. Okay, click on next. Here it says email address, but it's not important, you can just skip this. And it says here profile completed, create video now. You don't need to create it, click maybe later. And it says here now you can access more tools to do better to connect with your customers and grow your business. So after you change the account to business, what I have found, what I realized is, you can then you can see how many people from what countries they watch your video. Like, for example, if you click on three little lions in the top right, if you click on business suite, you will find like a lot of options here called analytics, which is very important to see how many, where these viewers are coming from, the profile views, so how many people like visited your profile in the last 28 days. As you can see, 61,000 people visited the profile, rich audience, video views. You can see a lot of, you can access your most popular videos. You can see a lot of things here, and followers, lost followers. You can see a lot of things. Okay, so yeah, you can also see auto message. You can send messages automatically to the customers. Business registration. If you want to register a business, you can do that by clicking on business registration, and you can just enter your like taxes and stuff like that. It depends, each country has a different rules for this. Okay, so yeah, so you can have a lot of things to do with a business account. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I'll reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.